Hey gang, how's it going? David Braun here, and just a quick one. See what I was doing today. I got a couple of these. I'm gonna call them David Braun lights from Harbor Freight, of course, and try to show you one working, hanging up right over the air compressor, and which of course is working. Got to finish it up, putting the lids back on it. We got to weld up a small leak in the tank on the bottom. But things are coming along. You got two of those lights put up, and anyhow, that's what I'm doing today. Oh, I still got a riding mower, and now got a little Mantis tiller to fix, get running from the neighbor. But we're all digging out from under the storms, and hope you're staying warm and dry where you're at. Okie dokie. Talk at you later. Bye.